just give me a moment. Okay, so fine, 1 second. I'll just share my screen. Okay, so are you able to see my screen? Hello, can you see my screen? Okay, fine. Okay. So last time we were just seeing the WordPress. So today what we are going to do is we are going to create a website. So uh, you are also got the website. So did you get any chance to look into the interface? Yes, did you sorry, I'm not able to hear you. So did you log into WordPress and see how it looks like?
Yes, I saw it.
Oh, okay, fine. Okay, fine. So right, so let's begin. So now I'm going to log into my WordPress website which we had seen yesterday. Alright, so now we have logged into the WordPress website, and say yesterday we had installed one theme. Let's see, yes, we had installed this theme. So now it is not necessary that if you have installed one theme you cannot add another. You can add as many as you want, but one will be active. So now I will see. So I mean, we are going to create a blog website wherein we are going to write blogs and do search engine optimization on it. So for that I will create a blog theme. I will require a blog theme. So let me search for blogs. Over here there are many blog themes, or I'll just type blog. Okay, so now we can see there are so many themes available. and all of them are free unless and until specified. So we can use any of the themes that we want over here. And the theme that we are using right now, let's see if we can use that also. Okay, yes, we can use this theme also. I mean, there is no problem in this, but I just need to see if it is having the blog section or not. So I believe it should be having blogs. uh, I'll just click on customize and see. Okay, it's taking some time. Fine, so it has finally come up. Yes, it has the logs also we can use. Let me check out the static page. So I need to define these blogs over here. If we don't have any blog over here, then we need to add a new over here. We need to select the home page. So let me select about us all courses. Okay, so we don't have this over here. Static page, post page we don't have, so I'll add a new over here. I can write blog and I can add. So if any page does not exist, you can add it over here. And right, over here home page also we don't have, so we can add a home page. Click on add. So now this is the home page and I can click on publish. So now you can see everything is gone. So over here I can install whatever I want. So I can add whatever I want. So this is one thing that we can customize, or I can keep the latest post. So we can have all the latest posts on the front page. Now over here on the right hand side we can see some recent post section, recent comments. So if I don't want those sections, then I can remove those sections. Let us see from where we can remove that. Widgets, blog sidebar, so this is called the sidebar over here. Yes, so recent post we want it. Recent comments is something that we do not want. So I'll remove this. Remove latest comment. Okay, so it removed the latest comments. Remove heading. So heading will also get removed. So basically that whole section will go away. Okay, so now you can see it is gone. So now I can close this, and we can later on we can add whatever we want. So this is how we can customize it over here. But I'm looking to install some good themes, so I will just check if I can see some good themes over here. For the blog, I know one of the theme which I have used in past, that is color mag. This is very good theme over here. So this is the theme, so I click on install. Why I have selected this theme? Because this theme is having demonstration installation also, so demo content can be installed in this. So whatever you see on the screen, the same thing will be installed in our website. Otherwise it will look like it is a blank website. So if we do not know that how many panels we have and at which places do we have the panels, then it is a bit difficult. So for that reason we import demo content. So that is just for one time viewing, and after that we can remove that content, and then we can add our content. So now our theme is installed. Now it's say every theme might have some requirements, like I said last time. So when we had installed it, had asked to install some plugins. So over here we can see get started with color match, so I can click on it. So this button will install the and activate the theme grill demo importer plugin. So yes, it will install some content over here. So here we can see some of the themes that are available in this main theme. So this is the demo content that we can import over here. So some of the themes might be pro version, so that you can leave it. So this is buy now, so we don't want to buy, we are just going to use the free option. So say like if I want this one, I'll just click on import. So I'll say confirm. So now if I say refresh my page, right now you can see the page is how it is looking. It is looking like this, but now you can see it has changed because I am installing this. So right now it is installing, so you can see all these menus are coming up, and it has the UI of this has changed. Even right hand side there is no content, on the center also there is no content. But once this importing is completed, after that we will see all the content and different places on the website, what are the different panels and sections wherein we can add the content. So we just need to wait for this. And WordPress is basically very easy to use, and I mean it's just very simple. Over here this is the control panel of this admin panel, we can say, or control panel, with which we can manage our website. So I mean once it is done, we can just install a good theme. So that what we are doing after installation of the theme, we will be doing some customization. Say like over here you can see color mag, and you can see this banner, and this is basically for advertisement. So if we don't want all these things, and I want to replace with my logo, I can do that. Over here also I can see this is there, this all content, demo content is there, I want to remove that. So I can remove all those sections and add our content over here. So this demo content will import the particular sections on the website, and then we can add to them our content. So whenever we add our new blogs over here, the latest content will be shown over here, and the last 4 blogs will be shown over here. So this is how the content works, and other sections also will be added. So fine, let's wait for some time till it completes, and we will add as many features over here in this website. So now the importing has been done. So now I can refresh my page and see how does it look like. So you can see over here this content has come up, and some sections have come up over here. We can get to know that okay, these are the different sections over here. You can see the footer also, it is pre-made over here, so we can edit all the things over here, and we will add our own. So now we just got to know over here how our website is going to look like. So this is just to get to know the sections of the website. So we got to know. Now what we can do is, now we can again go back to the panel, and we will click on the post and click on all post. So not everything will have this demo import. So whenever you install a new theme, in the description you can see the demo content importer option might be available. So in the text it will be written demo content. So okay, so now we are in the all sections over here, all posts. So now I will select all the posts, and I will move to trash. Again select all and move to trash. Okay, so all the posts are deleted, these are in the trash. So the trash also I can delete all, delete permanently. So now everything is deleted. Now what I need to do is, now I need to go to the categories and delete the default categories. So over here with the theme, some basic default categories have also come up, but digital marketing category which we created yesterday, that we want, and one category was default, that is social media marketing, that also we want, so that cannot be deleted. So that is fine. So now I say delete over here. So this will delete the category. So now I will delete the rest of the categories, and yeah, delete, apply. So now all the categories are deleted except the ones which we created yesterday. Now we can go to the pages and delete the default pages which came with this page, so with this theme. So I can select all, and I want to keep about us, that we want say this is the all courses, but this theme does not support all courses, so we can select all these and we can remove it. Then this blog page also we want to delete it. This all things, contact us, we will keep this over here. So this was published mm, okay, this is yesterday, 6th of July, yeah. So this also will remove, this we will keep, which came with the theme. And yes, rest all of the pages, but yes, privacy policy we need to keep, and terms and conditions we need to keep, because those two things we have to add in the website. So I select move to trash. So all the pages which are there, that will get deleted. And once everything is cleared, we will start to add our content. So okay, still some of the content is remaining. Okay, one second, just let me check. I hope we have activated the theme. I think it was activated, yes. Yes, our theme is activated, it is the first one, and the remaining, so the ones which you do not want, select, this is the one which we deleted, which we added over here yesterday. So I can click on this theme, and there is a delete option. I can click on delete, and this theme will get deleted. So this is done. This is the default theme which comes up with the WordPress. So this is something that we can keep, so that in case if we want to, if something goes wrong, at least the default theme will take place into effect. So now we come back over here, and now we again select, it did not get deleted, I think. Okay, so let us see, contact us page and everything, terms and conditions we want, this is what we want. Okay, so now everything is deleted. It's not yet deleted, one second, what's wrong? Okay, so that is because this WordPress plugin is there over here, so that is the reason it did not get deleted. I will go to the plugins, click on install plugin. So whatever was there previously, that we can remove it. So over here we want to remove WordPress over here. So by default all the pages will get removed. So this WordPress, and first of all I need to deactivate it before deleting it. Directly we cannot delete anything, and once it is deactivated, now I can click on delete. So then press OK, so it will get deleted. Okay, so now we can go and check the pages. Okay, so now we can delete the pages. Let's see. Okay, so now it is going to get deleted. Okay, so move to trash. So yes, now everything is deleted. The default pages also we can remove empty from the trash. So I select all and delete permanently. So we need to remove all the items which are deleted, because I mean otherwise the site would be a bit heavy. So all unwanted things we should remove from our website. So all the pages are removed, all the posts are removed, all the categories are removed, so everything is done. Now we can start adding content. So the first thing is we can add the, let us refresh and see how does our website look like. Okay, so now you can see everything is removed, so only the basic structure of the website is there, all the content is removed. So now what we need to do is, now we can customize this website. So how to customize? So I go to appearance and then I can click on customize, or else if you are on the themes page, there also you have the option over here, you can see customize, so you can click this button also. And after that just let me make one change. This is what I wanted. So now you will be able to see where I am clicking. So wherever, if I want to show you something on the screen, then I will be able to show you. Say like for example, if I want to show you this icon, then I can just click over here and you can see this circle coming up. So this will show the location of the mouse. So this is what. Okay, so now we have clicked on the customize button and a new panel has come up. So now this control panel is only for the theme you are customizing, color mag. So now this is the option. Now say like you can go to the various sections, say like in yesterday's theme also we had seen various sections. So now this theme is also having some sections, but say some of them might be different from the themes. That again depends who is developing. So depending on the developers, every developer will think different, so they will create, they will have their own menu. So every theme will have a different menu, so this menu is not same for everyone except some parts. So now this is from the menu also you can manage everything, but say like initially you might not know, like some themes will also provide the shortcuts to all these things. So if I want to remove this banner, so from where will you search, unless and until you go through each and everything and you find out how to go about. Say like over here, then you might get to this top bar, and there you might find, okay, over here also you are not finding, then maybe somewhere else new sticker. So that is new sticker. Okay, so that is on the top, that we want to keep it. Then site identity, main header. So main header over here, this is the main header, and then over here this is full width. So over here also we did not find out. Then primary menu over here also we did not find it. So sometimes it takes time to understand, so you can save time if you have the shortcut button. So now I want to remove this banner, and there is a shortcut pencil icon over here, so I can directly click over here, it will directly take me to the menu. So it is under the header sidebar. See, header sidebar, and next time I can remember. So if I want to come over here, so now I want to remove this banner, so I can just scroll down, and you can see this whole section, select an image. So this is the image that is over here. So now I want to remove it. So what I'll do, I'll just select over here, and I'll say remove legacy widget. So I'll remove this widget, so this banner will go away. So it will refresh and it will go away, so it's gone. So now I can click on publish. So now this is another advertisement of the theme, so I will click over here and it will directly take me over here. So this is on the right hand sidebar, so it is under customizing widgets, and under widgets it is right sidebar. So now I can remember all the menus, that what are the different menus. So I can just remove this, and I'll say remove legacy widget over here also. So it does, so we can see it removed. So over here also this about us, this color mag is coming up, so I will click on this, and over here I will see this content. So this content over here, it is a content, so if I want to remove the whole content I can remove it, but say like just in case if I want to keep about us, then I can just remove the code of this email. So I can just delete this code over here from the left hand side panel, and yes, it will be done. So now we can see that image will go. Okay, so that content is gone. I'll click on publish. So now that you can see that color mag image is gone and the text content is remaining. So now over here I can click on it, and I can edit this content as per my about us. But any which ways we are going to have a about us page on the top, so we are going to remove it from here. So I will directly say remove this legacy widget over here. So yes, remove legacy widget. I don't want this section over here. Then over here this also I do not want. I will click over here, and this section also I do not want. I will say remove legacy widget, because these are all advertisements of the theme. So it is just telling us that over here you can put an advertisement like this. So because this we had imported the demo content, right? So for that reason, and this color mag over here, this also I want to remove it. So this is in the footer section. So over here I can say that I want to remove this. So this is the title color mag pro. If you want to keep the title, then you can keep the title, and you can write something else over here. Maybe in the last column you will be having newsletter options. So I will say newsletters. So it will come newsletters over here, and then over here advertising image link, I will remove this, and this advertisement also, this image also I will remove it. So I'll remove the link, and I'll click on publish. So I think it should get removed. Okay, yes, it got removed, and now this content newsletter heading is there. So but this text content also I want to remove. So this text content is over here, so I will remove this also. So I'll say remove legacy widget. So that is also removed, and now I can click on publish. So now this is done, so that is removed, and now these all menus that we can see over here. So this I can click over here, and it will take me to this place. So this is premium themes over here. So this is, you can see Spacious Pro, Food and Pro. So Spacious Pro, Food and Pro over here also on the left hand side. So this is all I need to remove this. So I'll click on this, remove one by one. I can remove all of them. Okay. So now we have removed this all links, so it has gone from here, and now I can click on publish. So this is done. Now what we can do, so over here also we can see this logo over here that we can remove. So what I'll do is I'll click on this about us over here, and then I will see the same code over here. So if I scroll down, we can see this code over here. So this code I can remove it. So I'll just say select this code, and remove it, and yes, that will be removed. And then we can say publish this. Okay, so just 1 second. uh, okay, so this is it. So now I'll click on publish. So then later on we can update this over here. So this is done. So now I can go back over here, and now I can see all the things over here. So this all things I can rename according to the categories that I will be adding in my website. So I can just decide right now, and because this is something which I cannot delete. So over here, however, if I want, I can delete, but the whole sections will get deleted, so then I don't want that. So over here it is health. So I will write search engine optimization. So now it will get changed. So all the blogs from search engine optimization, 5 blogs in this type of widget, it will come up over here once we add the content. So I click on publish. Then over here fashion. So in fashion we will we will provide some another category. So here I can add something related to social media, and this is done. So now I can select another one. What happened to social? It just added social. Okay. Okay, so in sports we will add something else. So in sports I will write AI, artificial intelligence, so I can use the whole name also. Artificial intelligence. So now I click on publish. So this has come up. And in technology, so technology I can keep it as it is unless and until I'm not writing something else. So this can be a generic term, technology related to it, but I will change it to something related to content marketing. Okay, so this is content marketing is done. So now on the right hand side it is the news. So instead of news I will rename the heading to the latest. So I will rename this to latest. So that is the latest articles which are coming up. Anyways, if I want to add something else I can even add over there. So that is it, and then I'll click on publish. So my home page content is almost ready. Now over here I want to remove this two menu items, because this menu items layout and view pro that got added with the default importer which we had imported all the content. So we have deleted the post pages and categories. We will also delete the menu. So I click over here, and it will take me to the menu page. So I can click on edit menu, and over here I can see these two links, layouts and view pro over here. So I'll click on this, and I'll say remove, like we removed other links from the footer. So remove. So now those two links are removed. So I click on publish. So now everything perfectly it is done. So now what I need to do is, now it's the only thing is we have to start adding our content. So rest everything is perfect. So now I can close this. Say if you are in the theme, you have to always use the back button to go and check the other options. But if you want to come out of the menu, this theme menu, then you can click on this, and then you will go back to the WordPress admin panel. So yes, now we are into WordPress admin panel, and now if I want to add the pages, now I can add the pages. So like over here we can see first of all which are the pages that we have. So here we have about us, and okay, so contact us is not there. So what I can do is I can create a page, contact us. So I will go to the page, and I will say add new page. So I can add a new page, or else from the left hand side menu also I can click on add new, and I can add a new page. So this is the page. Okay, so just let me close this. Okay, fine. So now I can add a new post over here. So this is a new post, but I want to add a page, right? So first I will go and check the pages. We want to add a new page. So we want to add a contact us page, contact us. So this is done. So yesterday we had created forms, right? So I can select the form, add form, and over here we have a contact form, contact us form. So we can select. So let me see whether this is the same one over here. Okay, so this is the one which we install. So this is the default theme with which the contact us plugin has come up. So this is what we are not going to use. We are going to use the one which we had selected. So that is the contact form, and I'll say add. So this is WordPress form over here, and this is the contact 7 form over here. So this is not what we are going to use. I can remove this plugin. So once I remove the plugin, this will go away. So this is done, and now I can click on publish over here. Okay, so this is done over here. Okay, it is, I need to click on publish. So now this page is published. So now let us see how does our page look like. So now we can see our this contact us form is ready, everything is done. So this page is ready, but now we need to add it into the menu, right? So yesterday we had seen how to add the content into menu. So now since we have changed the theme, the settings have changed, so again we need to go back to the menu, and then we can use it. So this is it, and now let's see what are the different things that we can add. So first of all, this contact us form is done, about us form is also done. So now we will go to the menu part. Over here appearance, and then under appearance you will find menus. So you go to the menu, and you can see contact us form, terms and conditions, about us. These are the pages that are there. So first of all, what I need to do is this is the primary menu over here, that is we will select this primary menu, and over here in primary menu there are no content added. So that is the reason nothing is coming up on the website. So this is the old one, this is the latest one over here. So if I refresh this also, it will go away. Yeah, so we don't have anything. So now I need to add this about us content and contact us page, and select add to menu over here. So I select the pages that I want, which I want to add in the menu. So I click add to menu. So now this has come up. So contact us should come up at the last. So I'll select this over here, and then I'll click on save menu. So this will come up in the primary menu that we have selected. So now if I refresh this, so now both the menus will come up over here. You can see this about us and contact us. So about us we had written coming soon, so the same thing is there, and contact us form, we can see the contact us form is coming up over here. Now I can add some other pages also, like depending on whatever I want to use, say like products or services or gallery or anything like that, whichever pages I want. So that you can add as per your requirement. But the most important thing now what we are going to do is, say over here this I think we forgot to remove this logo over here. We have to add our logo. So for that what we can do is again go back and click on the customization. So actually when we went to customization, at that time only we should have done it, so we missed it. So I click on customize again, and on the top we can see the logo. So it's loading. So yes, over here we can see this logo. So I'll click on this icon over here, and I will say remove this logo, and I will select my logo. So over here we have the logo, so which we had uploaded yesterday, so which is there on the server. So I select this logo, and I will click on select. So now this logo is coming up, and I'll say skip cropping. So now this logo has come up, and now I can click on publish. So now if I select, my website will look perfectly. So now it will look my website. Yes, so now everything is done. So now I need to add the post over here. So now adding the post, uh, I need to have some content. I need to write some blogs over here. So from where do we get the blogs? So first of all, I mean, there are many websites from where people usually take the blogs and rewrite the content, but still Google will get to know that you have copied the content, so you cannot copy the content. So what is the best thing that you can do? We are using artificial intelligence tools like chat gpt to generate the content. So over here I will log into chat gpt. You can also create an account if you do not have, so that is chat.openai.com, and over here you can create whatever content you want. So like on the left hand side you can see I have created so many content for different topics and everything. So over here I have lots of things that you can see. So let's see, this is the digital marketing basics. So whenever I want to see, I can see whatever I have created over here. Okay, so this is it over here, and strategies. Okay, so I can, whatever, if I don't want, I can even delete it. So because sometimes we just create a few things which are say only temporary. Okay, so this is over here also, this is also which we can delete it. So now what we are going to do is we are going to write blogs. So I'll say new chat over here. Of course I can select, if I am doing some particular thing, then I can select that and I can continue in that also. So all the history will remain in this particular category, but right now I'll select new because we want to create blogs. So this is new one, and over here I can say I have this many prompts over here. So I can search for blogs. So let's see if something comes up related to blog. So you can see Yoast SEO optimized content writer, one click blog post updated. Then this is blog post title generator, outline for blog article. Then this is EEAT niche authority SEO strategy blog post generator, and this is written SEO article 100% human content score, and keyword rich content. So maybe we can even select this option also. Then it can be 100% SEO optimized bloggers post. So write a bloggers post with SEO optimized content, include title, meta, description, FAQs, conclusion, image, alt, and title. So this is one thing that we can use. This is could be a better option. Then over here actually rank worthy outline and long form writer. So I mean you can select whatever you want, even if you don't select anything and you directly type your content, then also it is okay. So now I have used 100% SEO optimized blogger post. So I will then I just need to provide a over here I can just type on what content I want to write a blog. So see, if you do not know what is the latest content, so in that case there are many websites. You can just go to many websites just for taking ideas. Say like there is a website called as search engine journal or search engine land.com. So latest news, search engine optimization and all those things. So you can go to this website, and you can see, you can just take an idea that what are the different topics which are there. See, how to harness DNS wins. Okay, so this is not related to it. 10 types of data that should be on your keyword clustering wish list. So So okay, so over here I can use this particular I can just use it. mm, I just need I want a notepad and I'm not able to find it, so I'll just open it from the existing ones, and I will create a new one. So this is one of the title that I've selected. Then maybe something else also. Twitter didn't just block unregistered users, it blocked Google search. So over here also I can see then Google to explore alternative to robot.txt. So maybe this could also be a very good topic on SEO. mm, then something 8 Twitter alternative marketers need to know about, so that also we can see over here. So we are going to generate content on all these topics. Google ranks AI generated Star Wars article lacking EET. Okay, so I can take whatever topics I want. See, taking the title, we can also rename it, so that's not a problem. So how to combine Excel and AI for keyword research? So maybe even that also we can use, so people might be interested. Okay, so then okay, then by mistake it clicked. Okay, so then beyond keywords, how entities impact modern SEO strategies. Okay, okay. Then let's see, build brand authority and dominate organic search like a boss. Okay, 10 things we hate about Google Analytics 4. How to create link building 0k rupees for SEO with examples. Okay, we can take this. Okay, fine. So we have taken different content over here. So we want something more. So SEO. Uh, Let us see SEO. Okay, first we will take the content all from SEO. All the topics which are from SEO. So this is what is SEO, search engine optimization. SMM career playbook, overview of growing industry, web hosting for SEO, why is it important? Okay, and then this all we have taken. So fine, we have enough topics over here. So so now what we are going to do is we are going to take up this title and we are going to generate content. We have just taken some ideas. So 10 types of data that should be on your keyword clustering. So we will say tens of data that should be on your keyword clustering wish list. So let me copy this and I will paste over here, and then I will say send message. So now it will generate the content. So this is my topic on which I want to generate content. So it is thinking. So now it is writing the blog post. So you can see it is writing, it is generating content in front of me. So it has provided title, meta description, image alt, image title, word count. How much is the word count? It is 1200 words. Very good. Okay, so let's see. So you can see it is generating content. So previously when people were doing this content writing for their website. People wanted to make website, but they did not have any content. So what did they do? They took some content from this website, some content from that website, and from like that, from many websites they took content and they just mixed all the content and they put it on their website. But that is not the right thing that we should do. So I mean, we can use the tools that are available which will generate unique content. Unique content means the content which we are seeing over here will not be available on any website on the internet. So this is the piece of content that is only we are having in the whole world. Nobody has copied our content. So this is over here. So let's see if this is done. Or say if we feel that this is small, then what we can do is I can just write over here mm, more. So then I can press enter, so it will still write something more over here. Okay, so now it is still generating some more content for us, so we can combine both of them and then we can use it in one article, because it told 1200 words, but I don't think that is 1200 words, it's very small. So I can combine both of them and then I can use this. So this is over here done. Let's see. Okay, so this is done. Higher organic search rankings. Higher organic search rankings, I mean it created the same content. So fine, we'll just use this. So it has created a title, title data that should be on your keyword clustering list. Okay, so I'll copy this and now I can go to my post, and what we are doing is, okay, I'll go back. Yes, okay, fine. So this is done. So now I'll go to the post and go to add new post, and this is the title that we have copied, data that should be on your keyword clustering wish list. Okay, so now what is the next that we need? So this is the meta description, so that we don't require at this moment. Then image alt keyword, so that also we don't require. Image title also we don't require. Outcome, so this is from here we require. So we are going to copy from here till the end over here. So now I can paste this content over here. So this, okay, so now let me check what is the word count. See, it is 541 only, so I thought so it was quite less. So still it is okay, it is more than 300. Minimum words required for a blog is 300 words, we have 541, still it's okay. So now we have added the content over here, and what we can do is we can highlight this headings over here. So I can make this as a heading, so it will look good. Okay, so over here I need to put some space, and then I can make it as a heading. So like this, everywhere I can do the same. These are all headings. Okay, so here also there is a problem. Okay, then let's see what else over here. This is FAQs. Okay, okay, so now this looks good. Conclusion. Okay, so now our title is done, our this is done over here. Content is done. What is it that is remaining? So I need to select the keywords and the category. So this is related to data that should be on your keyword clustering wishlist. So this is related to search engine optimization. So over here we don't have the category, so I can click on category over here and write search engine optimization. say add new category. So now it is by default selected, and then what I can do is I need to add some tags over here, that is some important keywords, that is when people will search for these keywords on my website, they will find this article. So this article is basically, so now there is one tool to do that. So what I can do is I can just copy this whole content, and I can go to Google, and I can search for word frequency counter. So I can see this word frequency counter. I can go to this website over here, and then I can paste this over here. So then I can click on submit. So I will get all the keywords which are being used for the number of times. See, this your is used for 26 times, and is used for 21 times, keyword is used for 18 times. So yes, keyword I can take over here, and I can add it. So in this keyword tags, that is the keywords, I will add it over here and click on add. Then okay, so next is clustering, that is added 15 times, so I can use this over here, clustering. Then maybe keywords I can use, so that is used for 12 times, so that also I can use. Then search is 11 times, that also I can use, I can add it. Then clusters is used for 8 times, so that also I can add it over here. So this is the place where we add the keywords, and click on add. And then competition 7 times. So it's not that I will add all of them, but only which I feel that people are going to search. So relevance, target is people, target they will combine with something and they will use it, like target audience, target location, so like that people will search. Strategy, people will search. So like this I can use these keywords over here. And let's see what else I can use. So those were all single lettered words. Yeah, audience I can use. So audience, then maybe rankings. Yes, rankings, ranking I can use. So this is ranking over here. Then organic I can use. Then optimizing is can be used. Then insights can be used. So today I'm just showing you how to add the content and what are the things that can be done. But whether these keywords are correct or not, or the content that we have added over here is correct or not, that we will learn in search engine optimization. So in the next session we will be starting with search engine optimization. So till that time, so today is Friday, so our next lecture is on Monday. So till Monday you have some time, so Saturday, Sunday you have time, you can add 10-15 blogs, as many blogs you can. So more blogs you will add, more practice you can do for search engine optimization, because for doing search engine optimization you need to have many blogs, because more you practice, more you can master search engine optimization, and that is the most important module of digital marketing. So fine, we have added some tags over here, and now it is asking that I can add a featured image. So featured image I need to add. So featured image on what I need to add. So what is the topic over here? Data that should be on your keyword clustering wish list. So the keyword is data. So I can search for the image and search for data. Let's see what images are coming up. So image, so this is, I mean, a lot of content will come up. This is all related to data, but say I cannot use any of these images in my content. I cannot download any of these images. So then why did we come over here? So yes, we have a reason that we have a search, but with a difference. Over here there is another method to search on Google. So now what I do is I go to tools over here. So you can see this tools over here. I will click on this tools, and then I have the usage rights. So I click on this usage rights and I will select Creative Commons. So Creative Commons license is the reusable license which I can use. So I can copy, I can take any images, I can modify it, and I can use it in my website or wherever I want. So I click on Creative Commons, and then I will search for the images. So now you will see different types of images will come up. Images will come up, but all the licensable images will come up, so which I can use. So let's see, it's still loading. Google is searching. Okay, so now we can see there is some data there is some images over here, but I mean, if you like any of the images, then maybe you can take it, but if you don't like it, then there are other websites also from where you can take images. Say another website is pexels.com, that is PEXELS, pexels.com. So over here you can search for any images, so you can search for photos or videos, whatever you want. So I'm searching for data over here, data, and then I'll press enter. So now I can see all very good images that I can use. So you can see a lot of images. So I can use any of the images. So I will use this image is good, so I can download this image. So I just click on this image and I say free download. But over here I need to select the size because this is very big size. So large also is very big. So I'll select maybe around 640 by 424. So this is a very good size, or else maybe I can provide a custom size. Maybe custom size could be 800 by 450 is the size that I want on my website, and I'll say download selected size. So now it will automatically provide me with that, and now I need to provide the name also of that image. So our main keyword is data. So I will rename this, I will save this file or image with the name as data, and then I can save it. So I'll save it on the desktop right now, and it's done. So I can go to this website and I can download any of the images over here. So this is done. So now I can use that image, but first of all let us now see whether the image is of the right size or not. So I'll just refresh. Yes, this is the image. So yes, it is 800 by 450. So and this is 48 KB, 48.1 KB. So this is quite large. I mean, say if I have all the images of 40-50 KB, then it will be very difficult. So for that reason, what I can do is I need to convert this image to the next generation format. So for that, first of all, I need to have a plugin on my website. So 1 second. Yeah, so now I will install a plugin. So to install a plugin, I will need to go back. So I will first save draft over here. So I'll save my work over here. Till now whatever we have done, I'll click on save draft. It is saved, and now what I will do is I will go to the plugin over here, and I will install a new plugin. See, I told you, whenever we require any functionality on our website, we go to plugins. So I will say add a new plugin over here, and click on add new, and then I will search for the image over here plugin, that is WordPress enable web. So So this is the name of the plugin. So I mean you can just add some keywords also. You can use a search for any keyword. So yes, over here we can see WordPress enable webp. So I'll install this. I am also using this on my website, on my main website. So after installing I need to activate. So everything whatever you install over here you need to activate. So this is done, but the only problem is now over here we have installed this plugin webp, but over here in our blog we have installed the plugin webp so that we can upload webp format instead of jpg and png format. I can upload webp, so that is very normal, very small size. So for that I need to convert this particular this particular image to the webp format. So for that what we can do is I can just go, I was having a beautiful software, but I just formatted my system few days back. So I that was also got uninstalled. So now let me search that uh, webp converter. webp converter download. I want a software. I don't even remember the name. See, there are many facilities. If you don't want to upload it, if you don't want to download the software, you can upload the files over here also. Even that can be done, but I want a software. Yes, it is the same software which I was using. I click on download, because offline also you can, if the images are very heavy, then you can use this option over here. And once it is downloaded I will install that. Once it is installed we will convert that image to webp. Okay, so now this is done. So now let me go and see where is it. Yes, webp converter. This is a free software and this is what I was been using. So I want to convert from jpg to jpg png to webp, and yes, then I can add an image. So I can just drop this image over here and I can select the option where I want to, what is the save path over here, and image to web compression. So I can use the maximum compression so that the size of the image will be very less. So I would say 80% is good enough, and save path I can, what happens if I don't select the save path? Okay, it is not. I'll select the save path as desktop only. Then I'll say convert. So now it is converted and over here we can see the image has come up. So now let us view this image. What is the size of this? It is 20 KB, so 50% it has reduced over here. This was 48.1 KB and this is 20.3 KB. So you can see, say over here the compression was only 50%, so that was the reason over here it is not say saving this. Okay, fine. So we can now close this. And yes, we can use this image now. This is 20 KB. So what I'll do is I will upload that image. So I'll say over here set featured image, and I will upload that image. So select the file from desktop, and this is the file over here, data, and I'll say open. So now we can see this image is coming up. So this is 20 KB, and yes, you can write something about over here data, and here in description also you can write data or whatever is the name of the title that you can use. So this is done over here. So now this image is coming up over here. So now everything is done over here. My title is done, my description is done, then my category is done, my tags is done, and my featured image is done. So this is all what you need to do, and once this is done you can click on publish. So then this blog will get published on the website. So now let us see how does it look on the website. So I will open the website. Okay, so we can see, so in search engine optimization we can see it has come up over here, because say this was from search engine optimization, right? So automatically it has come up from search engine optimization, and we can see the title, and we can see some excerpt of the blog, that is some summary over here. And over here also we can see this is coming up in social media, artificial intelligence, everywhere it is coming up. So we need to customize this. So this should not happen over here. See, it is coming up everywhere. So that is because everywhere the latest blogs are selected. So what we can do, we can go to customize appearance, and then we can go to customize. So let's see over here, customize option. So I'll go to customize, and now I'll customize the home page content. Okay, so this is it over here. I'll select search engine optimization, and I want see over here number of blog posts to display. So 5 posts I'm displaying, and after that see over here show post from a category. So I will show post from a tag or show post from a author. So I show post from a category, and which category? So search engine optimization. Over here we have few categories, so we are selecting search engine optimization over here. So this is it. So now it will select the all the search engine options, blogs will come up over here. Then I will click on this social media. So in social media also I want the blogs to show from the latest post, or say latest post from a particular blog, show post from a tag, or show post from an author. So I want show post from a category. Which category? Okay, over here it is coming up only this category. So now this social media and artificial intelligence, it is not coming up because first of all we haven't created those categories. So how will it come? So for that reason what I can do is I can go to the dashboard. I will go to the post, and say from the post also I can create, that is easy. So I am going to the post. Otherwise I can just go to the categories also. Under post I have categories, I can also go from here, but over there yesterday we have seen I have to add double words over there, and then it will get created. So I click on post. So now over here I just say add new post, and over here I just create the category over here, social media. Social media, add new, and another one, artificial intelligence also I want to add. So then what is the other categories that we require? So artificial intelligence, social media, digital marketing we have, search engine optimization we have, and content marketing. Okay, yes, content marketing. So yes, content and add new category. So the required categories are done. So now I can come over here, I can just click on publish and then I will refresh this. Okay, so once it is published, it will automatically get refreshed. So now let me just click over here and see. So this is content marketing. So now show for post, show from a particular category. So now you can see, okay, still it has not come, strange. Let me refresh this. Okay, social media from a category, and this is quite strange. I'm not able to see. How come it's not coming? 1 second, let me just close this and refresh this. So I'll now click on customize and let's see if it is coming up. But this is for the first time it is not coming up, but usually every time I do it comes up. But okay, let's try social media and number of post 4, show latest post, show post from a category. This is quite strange. Only search engine optimization is coming. That's no problem.
The title.
Sorry.
The title was doing artificial intelligence over this.
Title is artificial intelligence over here. So where do you suggest the change? I mean, over here, I mean, I have used this theme for 5 years, and this is for the first time I'm facing a problem, and it is not populating the categories. I'm not sure why, but ideally it should come up. Because see, for search engine optimization it came up properly, right? So just for this it is not coming up. That should not happen. Let's try again. Post, show latest post. Over here we want the latest post. Then on the right hand side we want 4 post and show post, latest post. Okay, so over here also it is coming up. Okay, yes, yes, yes. Sorry, I'm really very sorry. It's my bad. It's not the problem of the software, but the problem is that we do not have any blogs into those categories. That is the reason it is not coming up. I mean, I'm using this theme after a very long time, so I just recalled it. Yeah, right, right. See, it is not coming up because this particular those categories are not having any content. I'll just show you in 1 second. Let me go to post, and I will add the same post in all the categories, and it will immediately show all the categories. See, I will go to all post, and this is I'll edit this, and we had selected this only for search engine optimization. That is the reason it is coming only search engine optimization. See, now I will select artificial intelligence, content marketing, digital marketing, and social media marketing, and now I will say update. So now all the categories will have the same blog. So now if I go to this and I refresh this, now you just see the magic, it will come up. So it's not magic, but it's technically it works like that. So now I go to this over here, social media, and yeah. So in social media, now what's the problem? Yes, now it has come up. So this is social media title, and we want the post from a particular category. Now I will select social media. See, now you can see it has come up all of them, because it did not have any content in those categories, any blogs in those categories, it were not populating. So now I will select this social media over here, and I'll publish. Later on, once I have any content in social media, I will remove that. So I will remove that first blog from other categories, but right now I have only one. So I will select, so that in this particular section only artificial intelligence should come up. So show from a category. So now artificial intelligence is coming up, and publish, and over here content marketing. So now over here only content marketing should come up. So let's see over here, show from your particular category, and that category is content marketing. Yes, correct. So publish it. Okay, so now everything is perfect, so it is working fine. So it was my mistake. So I did not recall that it should have a blog in that category to display that category. So now we have added the same blog to all the categories, so now those categories got populated. So now it's fine. So now everything is working fine. So now on the right hand side, this latest one. So in this latest one, what we want, in latest one we will select that over here we don't want from a particular category. We want to show 4 blogs, and the latest 4 blogs, so that it will show the latest 4 blogs. So that is it, and then I can click on publish. So now my content is done over here. So now I can go and add the rest of the content into other categories or from the same category. So if I add from the same category, you will get to know how does it look over here. So this is done. I'll close this and go back to admin panel of WordPress. I go to post, and I go to all post or add new post. So yeah, we are coming over here. So this is published. So now we can create another one. So now what we can do is, now we can create another blog, so for different category or the same category. So let's see what we can do. Here this SEO cluster, I will rename this to blogs. Okay, so now we are going to create another blog. Say we will create a blog on which topic over here. Google to explore alternative to robot.txt in wake of okay, so I'll just select alternative to robot.txt in wake of generative AI and other emerging technologies. So I'll copy this, and I will add it over here and press enter. So now it will create some topic on that. So let's see. Okay, so it has started. Exploring alternatives to robot.txt AI in the wake of generative AI and other emerging technologies. Limitations of robot.txt file user authentication and access controls, captcha and bot detection, content watermarking and what digital rights management. Okay, API based control access conclusion. So it has done. See, right now we have just generated the content and I told you that this is the only piece of content or say it is original content only we have, and it is not copied from anyone. So now how will you trust that whether this content is original? Just because I said it is original, it is original? No. There are tools. You should have questions like this, that how can we prove that this is original? So you can just think of something like this. Say like whenever I talk something, you ask questions. See over here, you can see this is this content that is generated just now. So what I'll do is I'll just copy this content. So from the description over here, so I'll copy the whole content and yeah, and we have some tools over here. So in Google we can search for a tool, that is what we can say is check plagiarism over here. So now this will check our content from the whole world or say from the whole internet. So it will search for the whole internet whether our content is available or not. So this is it over here. So here is the content that I can, over here I can paste my content. So I'll paste this content over here and then I will say check plagiarism. So then it will start to check. So now it is checking the entire internet. So you can just imagine all the millions and billions and trillions of websites. It will check all the websites across the world and see if this content is matching with any of the website in the world. So I mean like this, there are so many websites over here. So you can just go to any websites and use it. See duplicatechecker.com, then small SEO tools also. You have plagiarism checker, 100% free plagiarism detection and all those things. So now you can see over here it is 100% checked and it is 100% unique. We did not copy a single person from anywhere. So this content which was generated through this AI tool, that is ChatGPT, it generated 100% original content and not even a single word from this particular content is matching with any other website in the world. So yes, we have followed the rules laid by Google that we should not copy other people's content. So now we are ready to use this content in our website. So I'll copy this and I will add a new post. So first I will paste the post over here and then what is the title that we had selected? The title was, so it suggested some titles also. So alternatives, exploring alternatives to robot.txt in the wake of AI, generative AI. So if I use the whole thing, then the title will be very long. So I use still generative AI, that is more than enough. So this is good. and now the same thing that we have to do. So I just copy this whole content, and I will go to word frequency counter, and I will paste this over here so that I will get to know all the words, so that also that we will require. So now the first thing is we have to select this, so exploring alternatives to robot.txt. So robot.txt is a part of search engine optimization, so we select search engine optimization, and so now what is it that we require? So now we require tags, so we select what are the tags that we can use. So content we can use over here, content, then access, unauthorized, technologies, robots, controls, website, digital, captchas, generative, then with AI, then let's see from here API, active monitoring, anomaly detection, generative AI, robots.txt, digital rights management, DRM, DRM, digital rights management only. Okay, so like this we have added few of them, just making sure we did not miss out something important. Yeah, bots. Let's see. Okay, so that's it. So I think we have done all. Fine. So our category is done, tags is done. So now we require a featured image. So featured image, this topic is on generative AI or robot.txt. So we can go to pexels.com, that is a better website to get images. Pexels.com, and over here I will search for so there are so many over here images that we can use, and these are all free to use. So this is for a website. Robot.txt is used on the website, so this can be used. This image is good, so I will download this, and this is the custom size that I want, and I'll select download selected, and the name of this file also I will put it on the main keyword, so that is generative AI. So I'll use so this is done over here, and now I need to check the size. So this is 83 KB, so this is very large because it has lots of graphics, but we will change it to WebP next generation format. So I will go over here and change from JPG PNG to WebP. So I'll drag this over here and say convert. So now it is converting, so let's see how much size it is. So from 83 KB it is 68 KB, so still okay, I mean not bad, but I mean still it is not that good. So if I had Photoshop installed, so I still did not install Photoshop yet after formatting. So otherwise I could still reduce the size of this image. Maybe I could have reduced to 40 or something like that. So right now it's okay, so I'll upload that. So I'll go and upload the file. So select this from desktop, generative AI, and also provide alt text some name, that is generative AI, so that I can copy from here. And then I'll say set featured image. So it has come up over here. So let us check if everything is done. So over here this is the new post that is done, then say category is selected, tags is added, and featured image is also added, so everything is done. So now I can publish the blog. So this is done over here. So yes, like this we have to add. So now let us see how does the website look like. So now we have two of them. So you can see the latest one is at the first position and the previous one has gone over there, and over here also latest one is on the top and the previous one is at the down, and over here also under search engine optimization, so this is at the first position and the previous blog has come up over here. Now the third one that will come up, so this will come up at the bottom, this will come up over here, and the third one will come up over here. So it is the formats that it is selected over here, so same thing it will come up over here as well. So like this we can add all the blogs. So you can start adding blogs. Now you can start creating a website, and you can also use the same thing because I've already shown you this theme. So for practice, because right now say creating blogs is more important because our search engine module is waiting for us. But yes, in the free time you can practice the website, and you can add various themes, add content, write blogs, and then add as many blogs as you want, so that we can use those blogs for practicing search engine optimization. And since search engine optimization is very important module, you need, even if you add 25 blogs or 30 blogs, that is not enough. But on an average I see that if you work on 20 to 25 blogs continuously, you will master search engine optimization. So 20 to 25 blogs is the only thing that you require to practice on it. So that will be seen in the next session. So that's it. So you can just try it out, and if you have any questions or doubts or anything related to the problems that you face while writing the blogs or creating the themes, then in that case you can note it down. We will discuss all those things first and then only we will proceed, because your foundation should be very clear. So you can just practice and let me know. If you want, we can even continue with the same adding of new blogs in the next session also. I don't mind. I am not in a hurry. We can start search engine optimization, or say day after the next lecture, after next lecture. So that's fine. So instead of Monday, we can start it on Wednesday. So next Wednesday, if you have any queries, then we can work on it. Otherwise, we can start with SEO. So that's fine. So uh, let me okay, so yes, this is done. So if you have any questions, you can let me know.
Sir, how many blogs we need to create?
See, I told you that the number of blogs, the more blogs you create, more you will get a chance to do SEO on it. So if you add 20, 25 blogs or 40 blogs, I mean, that's a really very good figure. But minimum you should try to add 15, 20 blogs is the minimum I would suggest. But I don't say that you add all of them before Monday, but I mean, you can keep on adding, and you can one, because even once you learn SEO, you will have a time gap to do that. So see, the first session would be a theoretical session on SEO. That is the slides I will be showing on SEO, because since it is very important, I have kept some slides for understanding of SEO. So that will be a hybrid kind of thing. So it will be slides as well as some importance. Say I'll be showing you how it is done. So it will be mixed of that lecture. So Monday also you will not have anything to practice. Even if I start SEO, so you will still have time for the next day. So another day. So even if we continue the same on Tuesday also, then also you will have the time till Friday. So I mean, you have a lot of time to practice and add as many blogs you want. See, over here we saw how much time does it take to create a blog and add it on the website. See, it will take you approximately 5 minutes to create a blog in chat GPT. Then say you can say create adding a blog, say add title, add a blog, then add some important keywords. Say 5 to 10 keywords are more than enough. 15 should be maximum, and if you want you can add more, it's okay, not a problem. Even you can add 20 also, so that's fine. So you can add 15, 20 tags. Then you select the category, and you add an image. So I mean, it will not take you more than 10, 12 minutes, or maximum say 15 minutes. I'll count for one blog, will count 15 minutes. So even if you have an hour, you can add at least 3 blogs. I will not count 4 blogs for 15 minutes. I will count only 3 blogs in an hour. So in 1 hour you can add 3 blogs. So I mean, say even if you add 4 5 blogs in a day, it's okay. I mean, you have time, not a problem. But maximum, I mean, say the minimum number of blogs you should add over a period of time should be 20 25. And say I write blogs say on my website. Say recently I got say so many batches, so I was not free. Otherwise, I used to write at least 3 blogs a day. Regularly, I used to write 3 blogs a day. So for my website. So like this, I mean, you can add a blogs. So this is so, but this is for the practice. So you can use it. You can add the blogs, even more blogs in a day. So that is it. Any other question? Alright, so is there any other questions that you have?
No, sir, not as of now.
Sorry, I did not get you.
Not as of now, sir.
Oh, okay, fine. So in that case, we can conclude our session for the day and see you in the next session. Till then, goodbye.
Goodbye, sir.
Yeah.